So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your monetization on Facebook if you are not yet monetized. This for those who are using what I'm working on now is for those who are using professional dashboard. That's for profiles, not for pages. If you are part of our class, you are going to come across our video on how to set up a lot of pages. We are going to have it now. This is just look at my Facebook. So I'm going to click on this place where I have my profile icon. So I click on it, just click on that. I click on it. Now when I click on it, now listen to me. For so many persons, they are whatever, it's not even on professional mode. So when you check and discover you are not on professional mode, please convert your profile to professional mode. Facebook has made these things. You know, you may not have a page. You don't want to go about creating page, but your own profile can now earn money from Facebook with content monetization. So turn it to professional mode, because if it's not on professional mode, you cannot qualify for that. So once you've done that, you are going to see now professional dashboard, as you're going to see here. So click on that professional dashboard. When you click on that professional dashboard, to know how to get qualified for all this, there are so many ways to make money. You can see there's home, insight, content, growth. Click on monetization. Now you can see I'm already got the content monetization, even though the money is still small for now, for this month, but that's it. So when you click on monetization, please, you're going to see this. Ordinarily, you're going to see your programs. When you see these programs, what does it mean? It means that in all the available monetization tools Facebook has given to profiles, I've already qualified for this, which is what we call content monetization. I'm also qualified for this partnership ad, but there's a way it works. Partnership ad, there's a way it works. It's not something because you post. These are something that there's brands can agree with you to promote their whatever products or brands on your work. When you post something, you put their link and post, and then they pay you. So, and you know, this is for those who have large following. Already, when you have a large following, brands will contact you and do that. So I'm already qualified for it, but I may not have that because I may still have few small following. But this one is Facebook paying you directly. Now, apart from that, you see this other one not yet available. So if you are not yet qualified for content monetization, you're going to see that all of this is, you might have this one partnership ad, maybe you qualify for it. This one content monetization will be under not yet available. Like you have stars, I'm not yet available for this. You have subscriptions, you have storefronts. Now, if your content monetization is under not yet available, just all you need to do is what? You click on it. You just click on it. When you click on it, you scroll down. Why on my own I can't do it? Like for instance, I click here. When you click on it and scroll down, just watch. You will scroll down to this like this. Down there, you will see where the system will tell you to submit a request that you want to. You must do that submission. So even if you're on professional mode, but you have not submitted your interest in the program, Facebook can never give it to you. Please, these are the simple process of getting monetized with your profile on Facebook. Now, once you submit that program, the next thing to do, just go on. Don't worry Facebook again. Don't come to them and say, are you there? No, don't knock on their door. Start posting. Start creating content on Facebook. Once your content, you are creating content, and any content you are creating and people are engaging on it, then you are ready for monetization. Now, how do you know the content people are engaging? That means, in that case, what you do, you will create random content. You don't know the one that your followers, audience, or people around like. So you might create content maybe on anything, maybe on politics, on nation building, on education, on tutorial videos, and you are creating these contents. But take time and watch on your own. Which particular content is it that whenever I post it, people make more comment? They are always talking about, they will comment, share and all that. My dear, that's where your audience is. It could be that maybe you're a Christian man, but you discover that anytime you just write one article about what is happening in Africa, African leadership, people comment. But you say, I don't like all this political something. You don't want to make money a lot. You discover that you, even all those followers you have, including your church brothers and sisters, but anytime you share articles that have to do with church, even Christian material, they are not even following it. Nobody's commenting. So you discover that Facebook can never give content monetization because, one, they are selling us. You know what? They want people following your page or your profile so that when those ads, those companies that are, giving them ads to promote, they pay you part of it. If nobody is on your profile, how would they be sharing, give you content monetization and be sharing ads on your videos or your text? No, it won't happen. So once you have submitted, start creating content and now pay attention to that content that always drive traffic. People, once you post it, whether area of religion or education or training, whatever, or career, whatever. That is why at that moment you are just posting random, but you are very mindful, you are watching. Which one do people always go for? Then you now narrow more. You now discover that you are going to be producing more content on that particular area. Let me tell you, once you start doing it, you just wake up. You don't need to knock on Facebook page. You just wake up one morning and you discover that by the time you check this process I've gone now, you will now go up, discover that under the available your programs, you will now see content monetization. Wow. Huh? At that moment, if you now make any video and post, you will now discover that while that video is going on, that an ad will be running, either the in-stream ad or the whatever. You see ad, meaning that people who are watching it, as they are watching also, those ads are going, you start earning. The earning might start with 1 cent, 2 cents, and all that. But what does it tell you? As long as you started earning, even if it's small, it shows that you should work harder. That means if you work harder, you can earn bigger, and that is it. So this is how content monetization works now on Facebook. It has nothing to do again with the former, you must have 10 million subscribers or followers. No. Few you have. Once you're on professional mode, you see Facebook, all your friends convert automatically to followers. And that's why if you really want to make money online, don't deny having followers. Don't be the one. I just want to have 2 million followers. And you are not serious. You need followership. Let the entire world follow you. It's for your own advantage. So I'm going to stop at this point. There are so many other videos we're going to prepare and how to grow it, once you start, every other thing you need to do. So if you want to join our class on Facebook monetization with AI support, you can indicate whether you are seeing this video on YouTube or Facebook, anywhere. Indicate to join the class, and I promise you, you're going to gain a lot from that class. So I stop at this. If you are new to our channel, do it to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. This video makes sense, share it and give it a thumbs up. I wish to stop you. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.